Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese ramen noodles. First, you'll need 1 package of instant ramen, including its seasoning packet. Next, grab 1 slice of American cheese, or any other good melting cheese you prefer. Finally, measure out 1 cup of water. These simple ingredients are all you need to start creating a delicious and comforting meal in just a few minutes. Get ready for a quick and satisfying dish. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1 cup of water into a small pot and bring it to a boil or heat it in a microwave-safe bowl. Once boiling, add the ramen noodles and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender. After the noodles have softened, stir in the entire seasoning packet. Make sure it's well combined to infuse all that great flavor into your ramen base. This is where the magic happens. Once your noodles are cooked and seasoned, remove the pot from the heat or carefully take the bowl out of the microwave. Immediately place your slice of cheese directly on top of the hot noodles. Then, cover the pot or bowl with a lid or plate for about 1 minute. This allows the residual heat to perfectly melt the cheese into a creamy, gooey layer. After 1 minute, uncover your ramen and gently stir the melted cheese into the noodles until it's fully combined and creates a rich, creamy sauce. Your delicious cheesy ramen is now ready to be served. Transfer it to a bowl and enjoy this comforting and easy-to-make meal right away. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.